Let's talk about compound interest. All right, so you're investing money, and if you're investing money, your hope is to have more money after 5 years, 10 years at the end of your investment period. Now, you guys learned about how simple interest grows in terms of the principal amount of money becoming a greater amount of money, which is called the future value. So simple interest is growing like this. So I'm just going to write down simple, and it's good. You're going to have more money after 10 years, but there's a way of making it grow even faster, and that's called a compound interest. So compound interest is going to be like this, and consider this to be your timeline, and then this is the beginning of your journey, and then after 1, 2, 3, 4, da 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 da, after 10 years, for example, how much money are you going to have if you're investing $50,000 at the interest rate of 5% per annum, just means per year, and you're going to do this, you're going to leave this money for 10 years. So as you can see, there's some key numbers that you have to be aware of. Okay, so the formula looks like this. A is the future value, so after 10 years, and your original amount of money is the p-value, principal amount of money, and then 1 plus rate of interest, and we're going to divide that by 100, mainly because it's in the percent value. And then to the power, so we're not multiplying, but we're taking an exponent of the number of years. So that's the time value, basically. Okay, so P, as we talked about, is the present value. We call that the principal value. So here's your P. So I'm going to plug in 50,000. And then 1 stays the same. This is the R value, but it has to be divided by 100. So 5 divided by 100, and then that is the exponent to the power 10. So let's clean up this formula a little bit. 50,000, and then 1 plus this right there will give you 0.05. Close the bracket, and remember, we're not multiplying, but we're going to take the exponent power of 10, so 50,000. And then 1 plus 0.05 will be 1.05. So essentially, I'm following the rule of BEDMAS, order of operations. So we're going to take power 10. So if I do that on my calculator, 1.05 to the power 10, that is giving me, so this portion right there is giving me 1.6288 and many more decimals. I'm just going to keep that on my screen of my calculator, and then we're going to multiply that by 50,000. Why do we do that? Well, you're supposed to do the exponents first before you multiply. So I have this number kept on my screen of my calculator, and then I'm going to times that by 50,000. Boom. So the total value is 81,444, and then it's money, so I'm going to keep 2 decimal places, and then that's it. That's the future value. So calculate the total amount after 10 years. So after 10 years, your money is going to be almost 82. So $81,444. That's it.